Okay, so dito, ano naman ang inyong subject? Ganun lang, pansin nyo, you're just using the technique. May
Bread and
mga
butter.
iba't
Bread and
ibang
butter.
rules
And
na.
butter.
Bread and butter.
Bread and butter, singular or plural?
Singular.
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 Plural?
Ilan ba yan?
Dalawa.
One.
Combo.
Two
Isa lang po
words, but
combination ng
combination.
combination, ma'am.
Aba, very good. Tinitrick lang naman kayo ni Coach. Okay, this one is singular. Coach, bakit yan naging singular? Dalawa yan, no? Bread and butter. So, dalawa. Okay, there is a special rule in grammar that when a food or object can be combined together, they will function as singular. You will treat them as singular.
Singular.
Do you get my point? Combo
Yes
meal
po.
kasi sila, package deal. Ano pa? Yung ham and cheese. Ano pa ba? Fish and fries. Coffee and bread. Tama. Nagutom tuloy daw. Okay. How about spoon and fork?
Yes, ma'am.
Skill.
Ma'am.
Singular.
Singular.
Singular pa din. How about pen and paper?
Singular.
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 Singular pa din. Oh, how about husband and wife?
Plural.
Ayan,
Plural.
combo meal
Plural.
yan. Okay, this time, siya na
Singular.
ay plural.
Plural.
Bakit siya naging plural?
Person. Person.
Kasi
Person.
po,
Person.
very good. This rule only applies to food and
And things.
object. Pag person na yung pinag-uusapan, hindi na po siya magfa-function. So, pag ganyan, plural na po siya. So, therefore,
Yes.
bread and butter here is singular. What is our next step?
Move the plural.
Okay, sino yung mga tatanggalin? 8, sasagutin ko yan. Wait.
R at saka where.
R and where.
R and where.
R and where. May time frame ba kayo?
Wala po.
Wala po.
Meron.
Always.
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 Always. Okay. Tandaan ninyo ha, yung word na always o yung mga laging habitual. Let's say, yung everyday, nangyayari, paulit-ulit. Habitual, yung parang routine na siya, you will treat them as present. Ayun yung time frame ng present tense. So, pag nakita nyo si always, present tense yan. So, therefore, what is the correct answer here?
Ano?
Is.
Is. Is.